Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to deposit or withdraw for beginners on Binance Exchange. Now, in order to deposit or withdraw on Binance Exchange, you just have to follow the steps. The thing you must remember is that you have to have a Binance account, and with that you need to have a verified account. Unless and until if you don't have a verified account, you won't be able to trade on Binance. Now log in into your Binance account, and that's going to take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. Now while you're on this page, what you have to do is you could go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit by tapping on the wallet icon, and then you could go ahead and select the spot trading and click on deposit. As you press on deposit, go and select the asset you wish to deposit. Let me go with this one and select the network type, all of that, enter the exact amount and confirm the transaction. Then you'll have successfully deposited into your Binance exchange. And at the same time, if you wish to withdraw, you need to go to the same page, that is wallet, and go to spot and go to select withdraw. When you select withdraw, you need to go and select the asset that you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction and select the recipient details or the destination where you're actually withdrawing, and you'll have successfully deposited or withdraw for beginners on Binance Exchange. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.